Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to create bulk social media posts using ChatGPT in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Excel. Give namings for columns. Adjust column widths as required. Open the ChatGPT. See, here I have already generated some quotes with its author name using this prompt. Now, select and copy the quotes and go back to Excel sheet. Select cell A2 and click Paste option from the ribbon at the top. Click Match Destination Formatting icon. Let's do some basic text formattings and add border to improve readability. To make the post more impressive, let's add background images for each quotes. Open your web browser and go to unsplash.com. Let's search for rainforest. Select the image you like. Now right-click. Select Copy Image Address. Paste the link in cell C2. Repeat the same steps for remaining quotes. Our content is ready. Let's save this file. Ensure that the file type should be Excel Workbook. Now open Microsoft Publisher. Select more blank page sizes. Click Create New Page Size under Custom Size. I'm creating an 1:1 ratio page. Look, our page size is created here. Double-click on it. Here select Mailings from the top ribbon. Click Select Recipients drop-down list. And choose Use an existing list. In the Select Data Source window, select the Excel workbook you already created in the earlier step. Ensure that this checkbox is selected, and click OK. Again, click OK. Now, click Picture under Mailings. Select Insert Picture field, and choose Background. Click OK. Now, click Format, and resize the background image size to 15 centimeters, width and height. Align it to center and middle of the page. Now, click Mailings and select Preview Results. Look, the image link is fetched here. Let's insert a shape layer to make background image darker. Choose No Outline. Choose More Shape Fill Color. Adjust the slider to black color. Set transparency to 30%. Click OK. Now resize the shape to 15 coarse 15 centimeters. Align it to center and middle of the page. Now select Mailings. Click Insert Merge Field drop-down list. And select Quotes. Select the text and do some text formatting to improve readability. Again, click Insert Merge Field drop-down list. And select Author. Perform the same procedure to format author name. Alright, let's preview all the quotes. To do that, select Mailings. Here, click Next button to preview. It's very easy, right? Let's save this file first. Save it in the same folder where we created our Excel workbook. Now, let's export all images into JPEG format. Select Save for photo printing. Ensure JPEG format, and click Save Image Set. Now click Select Folder. Let's check our output. That's all. Now, you can create a bulk social media post in your own style. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.